What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about 5 reasons why I hate the Sony a6400. That is number 1 right there. I don't know if you can hear that. Sony, why did you put this strap here, camera strap here? You could have put something that's fixed and doesn't move around. The audio is going to pick that up. But if you're new here, I've been using a Canon 70D for most of my videos throughout my YouTube career, about a year of career. And I decided to upgrade my content to 4K and a little bit better camera. So I went ahead and picked up the a6400 from Sony. And so this is my 5 reasons I hate the Sony a6400. Now, that doesn't mean I'm taking it back and returning it and going back to Canon. It just means these are 5 things I hate about this a6400. And maybe you'll take that in consideration when you purchase your camera as well. So let's get started. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and leave a like for the video. And if you have any comments, suggestions, or opinions, put them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you on things that you like about the Sony and things you dislike as well. So number 1, like I said, this damn camera strap. I know you can remove it, but why would you put it on? Why would you put it on there? So, I mean, I don't know if you can see that, but it makes a bunch of noise when you're moving the camera around. And when I'm videoing, I can't have that in my audio. So that's my number 1 reason I hate this camera. Number 2, so yeah, Sony decided to put this little, they finally decided to put the little screen that you can put up, flip up, so when you're vlogging, you can actually see yourself and you don't have to go back around the camera view. But the problem is, the hot shoe, it's right there. If I have an onboard mic or a shotgun mic, it has to sit right up here and you can't see yourself anyways. So this is kind of useless. So you have to buy a little product like this from Small Rig and move the actual hot shoe, well now it's a cold shoe, but move it to the side here. So that way it's not interfering with the actual camera screen itself. I'll link this product in the description as well, so anything that I talk about here that I have, I'll put it in the description below so you can check out yourself. Number 3, I mainly use this camera as a video camera. So the record button, look how small that record button is. It's very hard to get your thumb on it and hit record. Makes it really difficult, so I really dislike that. Now I know you can program the actual shutter button for record, but if you have it manual mode or anything like that, or shutter priority mode, you can't use the shutter for video recording. Number 4 reason here for why I hate the Sony a6400 is battery life. My Canon, I could get probably, I don't know how many hours out of actually the battery life itself, but I could actually get quite a bit of battery life out of it. Now, I do like one video shoot with my a6400, and I'm already at like 20% battery life. So I literally, if it takes me like 30 to 45 minutes to make a 10-minute video, I'm almost dead on the battery itself. So I have to swap it out with another battery. So pretty much have to buy more batteries to have excess on hand. And last but not least, number 5, the 5th reason why I dislike and hate the a6400, the SD card slot. I can't stand it. It's at the bottom here. And when you press on it to make it come up, it comes up maybe a millimeter. And it's very hard to get out of the actual bottom part of this, where the battery tray is. It makes it very, very, very difficult. Canon has one where it's on the side, and when you press on it, it comes out, and it's very easy to get out. I struggle with it. I don't know if you struggle with it, or if you have this camera, if you struggle with it or not, let me know. But I struggle with that every time I have to get it out. It's like, it's pain, it's taking. I don't like it at all whatsoever. So those are my 5 reasons why I hate the a6400 from Sony. Like I said before, it doesn't mean I'm going to return this or anything like that. There are a lot of things I do love about this camera itself over the Canon. I am sticking with this camera for a while, and those are just my 5 reasons I hate the a6400. So if this is your first time, like I said, consider subscribing for content like this, tech videos, tech reviews, DIY type of stuff. Go ahead and hit the like button if you like the video, and put your comments and suggestions and maybe your opinions about this camera down below in the comment section below. And I'll see you next time.